Monday. All right, welcome to our kitchen. Today is Monday, and we are going to be making, I was feeling a little fall mood, so we're going to make pumpkin pie smoothie and my fresh berry punch. So we're going to start with the pumpkin pie smoothie. All right, you ready? Okay, hold on. So I'm just using the organic canned pumpkin because we don't have pumpkin at the moment. I've already have my frozen banana in there and some ice, so we're just going to add some of the pumpkin and my coconut cream. I am going to dilute that with water a bit. And then we also have almond butter. Let's see. Yeah. So both these recipes are in my cookbook, Feast as a Family. And we're also going to have vanilla, just a splash of vanilla in there. Maybe a little bit more, it's a splash and a half. And then we're going to put some cinnamon, so this one. Get that pumpkin pie, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So just a little bit of that one. That one comes out fast. Okay, good job. And then we already have the ice in there, and I don't know. I think we'll put, I don't have my vanilla protein, but I do have my chocolate protein, so we're going to put some.
How do you do it?
Yep, we're going to put some, just half a scoop in there. Good. Good job. Okay. Does it smell good? Mm-hmm. All right.
Now I'm going to put this.
Okay, go ahead. Thick as you want. You always put more ice in there, or do you want to try some?
Try some.
Sure. See, we got this new cup from Mimi and Papa. Okay, try it. Here, let me help. Might need to get your smoothie cup. Okay, you want to grab your smoothie cup? You can also throw in all kinds of other things. You can put green powder in there. You can put spinach, kale. I would probably recommend doing more spinach in this one. You can put chia seeds, flax seeds. Those are pretty tasteless, so. I'm going to put this, do you think you can get the other cup for Stella's cup? Please? No. Here, why don't you take this to Stella? I usually make smoothies for them after their nap, but they're going to get it early. You got that? Okay. All right, I'm going to rinse this out, and then we are going to make the fresh berry punch, which I have, or I make a lot more during the summertime, or if we're going to picnics, or if we're doing cookouts. This is a great recipe. So I'm going to rinse this out. July smoothie.
I don't know that.
Okay, gotta go tell sister that. Okay, so our next one will be, we're doing great, Callie. Hope you're doing great. We're doing the fresh berry punch. So you can use whatever berries, but I would recommend doing blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries, or blueberries, or all four. Mine were kind of frozen, so I added just a little bit of water to hopefully break it up a little bit. Might need to add a little bit more just to make it smoother. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey. I mean, it's been a while since we just got after 4th of July. I thought we'd do simple recipes today because I'm still trying to recover a little bit from that. So we're gonna... Okay, so you can easily, you can strain these berries if you'd like, so there's not as many seeds in there. Or if you don't have time and don't really want to, then don't. Which I'm not going to. I could, but I really don't want to, and I don't mind the seeds. So this is just a cup of each berries that you would like. And what I do, I have a soda stream. I haven't used this in a long time. I actually forgot we had this, and I'm glad I remembered. So this just makes filtered water into sparkling water. So I'm just going to add the sparkling water into, okay, that's okay. Bring it over. Yeah, sorry. What was I saying? I don't know either. Sparkling water in with the berries. You can add ice to it as well. I like to treat it as I guess with a punch, if you want, you can add, not ginger ale, because that has a lot of preservatives and sweeteners in it and sugar. But if you have an alternative to ginger ale, like Zevia, that's really great. Sure. You want to make this into sparkling water?
Wait, we're making sparkling water?
Yeah.
What flavor?
Scooch over a little bit.
What flavor, Mama?
It's going to be like a berry flavor.
Berry flavor?
So I
want
just
it
put,
like Daddy, drink it all.
Oh, you drink it all.
No.
You want some more?
No, Daddy, drink it all.
Oh, Daddy drank it all. Would you like some more? Yeah.
I don't like that one.
All right.
Scarlett was like...
There you go. I bet if I added more chocolate to this, you would like this. Yeah?
Yeah, I don't like it.
She doesn't like it. That's okay. More for Scarlett.
I'll just have a
Okay,
different
so
one.
Fresh Berry Punch is great for picnics. If you want to go to, I don't know if it's more of an adult-focused picnic, you can easily, you could probably spike this a little bit. Just make sure it's just for the kids, or for the adults, sorry. Okay.
Adults.
4th of July. I had a great 4th of July.
Not just for the kids, just for the adults.
This is for the kids.
Wait.
Sparkling water. Okay, go ahead. So, yep, just press that. Okay. And then, listen. So, now we have sparkling water.
What do you
And you can always taste the berries. If it's not sweet enough, you can put more honey in it. You can also substitute for stevia or maple syrup would be fine too. But for every 3 cups of berries, for every 3 cups of berries, I would dilute it around 5 cups. So we're just going to add this so it's nice and busy. The best way to serve this is really just a big bowl or one of those big containers that has a spout. I don't know what those are called, off the top of my head. But really, I would recommend pouring it into the bowl, maybe not into the blender, and then mixing the berry and the water around so it's mixed better. And then add ice. And then there you go, you got it. You can garnish it with lemons, with limes.
Can I stir, Mama?
Sure. I am so excited that I found the soda stream. We are going to probably be making a lot of sparkling water because I ran out, and just use berries to sweeten it with. I know like, a lot of these, we just do we don't get the added flavors because even the flavorings, that's man-made, and we try to go as close to non-man-made.
Okay, so Mama.
Okay, so do you want some ice in this or no?
Yes.
Okay, so put some ice in there. So I do have a little bit more sparkling water. I think I'm going to dilute it a little bit more. And we'll see if she likes this drink. Okay.
This is a cool kind of cup. Where did you get this?
Maybe Papa put that. What do you think?
Like it.
Yeah? You like it a lot? There we go. It's Stella approved. So yeah, just add ice or
It's kind
just
of
the
water.
ice. Is it kind of water? No, it's sparkling. Sparkling water. Put it in a big bowl. I would add the fruit mixture first and then add the water or the Zevia, the ginger ale Zevia. That's really great. You can garnish it with any fresh fruits that you want, or you can, instead of ice, do frozen fruits with it. But that is what we have today. So it was the fresh berry punch and then the pumpkin pie smoothie. And that is all for today. Thank you for joining. I know we were early, but I want to keep things simple, and my fridge is empty because I was gone all weekend. So thanks again, guys. I hope you have a great week and that you make either one of these recipes. Let me know.